Your guys' work today, what you're going to do is you're going to have kind of a little advanced tutorial on how to get started with some research that's a little more advanced. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is go to our Gate Investigations homepage. Okay, and then from there, we are going to go to this link, the Media Center LibGuide. Okay, and just something to remember, the research that you're doing here is good, but this LibGuide, essentially what that's going to take you to is this link, which is really a collection of databases where you can get information that you know is reliable. Okay, so once you're here, there's really several different databases to choose from. So here in the center, you can see they're organized by like general science, chemistry, biology, an easy way that you can start searching, okay? So these over here are Ebscohost databases, and so we're going to go right to this one, the Science Reference Center. And I'm just starting with the one at the top, but I know that I'm not going to be necessarily searching for medical information right off the bat, so I'm going to go ahead and search here. Okay, so I'm going to click Science Reference Center. And this will work fine at school. When you are at home, a lot of times you will need a password to get on these databases. Okay, but at school you do not need a password. If you run into this issue at home, let me know and I'll write down that password for you. Okay, so I'm going to use William's topic for an example. So let's say I'm here, and you could go ahead, and if you didn't have an idea, you could actually start browsing by category. And I don't know if William is still interested in slime molds or if he's more interested in algae now, but I'm going to go ahead and go with the slime mold example. Okay, and I'm going to search. And what that's going to do is it's going to search this database for different works that were written about slime molds. A couple of things that are cool. It does have a lexile here, and then it also tells you what it came out of. Now, a lot of these came out of magazines, from what I'm seeing here. So at least for this database, we're not really getting scientific papers. We're getting articles that came out of magazines. But what's cool is if I want, I can actually take a look at either the PDF text or the web text, and I can start getting an idea if this is something that might help me. Okay, and if I'm doing a topic with slime molds, I'm going to need to know background information about slime molds. I'm going to need to know about my particular type. I'm also going to need to know about the other aspects of my experiment as well. But this might be a really excellent article that I could use just to get background information about slime molds in general. Okay, so your next step that I would want you to do is if you think that you would like this article, we need to go ahead and start saving these. Okay, so I would suggest then that we create a page, like the newest page in our drive, the newest page in our notebook, and I would actually just copy down all this information here. I would also write down the database that I got it from, and I would maybe include a link as well. Okay, so that way I know that this is something I wanted to go back to later. Okay, and we'll work more with this in a little bit when I'm working with the whole class, but this will just kind of give you a start in this process.